Now, in this video, we're going to answer the following question. A hot air balloon is rising vertically. You are standing 50 meters away from the launch site. The angle of elevation from your eye level to the balloon is 30 degrees. Find the height of the balloon above the ground. If you find this video useful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. The first step towards answering this question is to illustrate the information given in a diagram. We're drawing a right-angled triangle, where the height is the distance the balloon moved vertically, which we will label h. The base is the distance we are standing from the wall, which we are told is 50 meters, and the angle of elevation with the horizontal is 30 degrees. Now we have a decision to make. Although we have a right-angled triangle, do we use Pythagoras' theorem or trigonometry to answer this question? If we know the lengths of two sides and we want to find the third side, we use Pythagoras' theorem. If we know one side, one angle, and we need to find a second side, we use trigonometry. Since our question is an example of the second scenario, we'll be using trigonometry. The next step is to label our sides. The longest side, the one opposite the right angle, is the hypotenuse. The side opposite the angle is labelled opposite. That leaves us with the third side, which we label adjacent. Now we need to decide which trigonometric ratio we're going to use. We cover how to remember, recall, and choose the appropriate trig ratio in a separate video. Given that we know the adjacent side and we need to find the length of the opposite side, we'll use the tangent ratio. So that means the tan of 30 is equal to the opposite divided by the adjacent, which in this case is h over 50. Rearranging this to leave h by itself, we multiply both sides by 50 to give us 50 tan 30 equals h. Using a calculator, that gives us a value of h equal to 28.9 meters, rounded to one decimal place. So the answer to our question is 28.9 meters. If you found this video useful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you.